Let's start with the next topic, that is cause of refraction. Now my dear, cause of refraction, when you are talking about, before I'll go to the cause of refraction, one thing I wanted to tell you, please make a note of this, which is important to understand this concept. When I write mu2, how I read this? Ri, refractive index of medium 2 with respect to medium 1. Refractive index of medium 2, refractive index, I read this, refractive index of medium 2, right, with respect to medium 1. Okay. Now what is the meaning of this, my dear? I can write this as mu2 upon mu1. Take care. The same thing can be written as mu2 divided by mu1. And in terms of velocity, what is the formula? Sir, first medium से आया है, so velocity v1, second medium में जा रहा है, velocity v2. Lambda के terms में formula, sir, v1, so it is lambda 1, and v2, it is lambda 2, because here frequency, here also frequency, which will cancel. This is ultimately the note. So now, this is one example. Now, if I write down this way, this is one example. If I write down this way, mu of y with respect to x, how I read this? Ri of refractive index of medium y with respect to medium x. है ना, पहले पढ़ना सीखो. Refractive index, that is mu of y with respect to x, that is medium x. How I read this? Mu of y with x, v, that can be written as mu of y upon mu of x. ये भी लिख सकते हैं इसको, that is refractive index of y, numerator, divide by, that is with respect to, this is called with respect to refractive index of medium x, and that is equal to, my dear, कहाँ से light आया है? From medium x. So velocity v with x upon velocity vy, and that is equal to lambda x upon lambda y. Okay. Am I clear? And this also further can be written as sin I by sin r also, that is Snell's law. But this is what is the terminology of refractive index. Mu2 with respect to 1 can be written as mu2 by mu1. In terms of velocity can be written as v1 by v2. In terms of lambda can be written as lambda 1 by lambda 2. Clear? Make a note of this. Now my dear, now let's go to the topic cause of refraction. Who causes refraction? Refraction क्यों होता है? Am I clear? And my dear, short answer in short is, sir, light का speed in different medium is different. Since the speed of light, when it go from one medium to another medium, its speed changes. Because of that, refraction occur or refraction causes. Please take care of this line statement clearly. Since when light passes from one medium to another medium, I repeat, when light passes from one medium to another medium, its speed changes. This change in the speed causes the bending of light, that causes the change in path of light, or causes refraction of light. Am I clear? So my dear, who caused the refraction? The change in the speed of light in different medium cause refraction. So here, when I write refraction cause, I will write the refraction or changes in the path of light. Refraction को ही changes in the path of light भी बोलते हैं. the refraction or changes in the path of light or bending of light, ये सब एक ही लैंग्वेज है. You can call refraction, you can call change in path of light, you can call banding of light, causes due to the causes as light passes from one medium to another medium, its speed changes. I hope very well clear. So who caused refraction? The refraction or the change in path of light or banding of light causes as light passes from one medium to another medium, its speed changes. That is, the speed of light in different medium is different. The speed of light in different medium is different. How will prove this? Now look at it to prove. कैसे हम इसको prove करते हैं? Because in exam, my dear, nowadays there is a question. Now how the people in the board they ask, show that how the change in the speed cause refraction. Prove that or prove this statement. Prove this statement which I have written. And what is the statement? That the refraction is causes when light passes from one medium to another medium, its speed changes, and that causes banding. How will you prove this statement? So my dear, I am using here, you can see by Snell's law, I am proving this. I am proving the statement. To prove by Snell's law, what is Snell's law, my dear? You all know that here I have taken 2 and here I have taken 1. That is refractive index of medium 2 with respect to medium 1. Matlab here light travel from which medium? From medium 1. And going in which medium? Medium 2. How will I write in terms of mu? This can be written as mu 2 divided by mu 1. I have given this knowledge. This can be written as V1 divided by V2, because here light coming from medium 1, so speed of light in medium 1 will come in numerator. And this is further equal to sin I divided by sin R. I hope you all know this much. Which can also equal to lambda 1 upon lambda 2. See, look at so much formula. Mu of 2 with respect to 1 can be written as mu 2 divided by mu 1, that is equal to light is coming from which medium? First medium, so it will be V1 divided by V2. Now that is equal to sin I divided by sin R is equal to lambda 1 by lambda 2. We have written this. एक चीज यहाँ पे नोट करना है माय डियर, कि जहां से लाइट आती है, कहां से लाइट आ रहा है? फ्रॉम मीडियम 1. प्लीज ये बात नोट करो, लाइट इज कमिंग फ्रॉम मीडियम 1, तो स्पीड ऑफ मीडियम 1 विल बी इन न्यूमरेटर, वेवलेंथ ऑफ मीडियम 1 विल बी इन न्यूमरेटर, एंड द एंगल विच इज फॉर्म्ड इन मीडियम 1 is also in numerator. What angle will form in medium 1? Incident angle, sin I. सबसे पहले इंसिडेंट बनता है, तो मीडियम 1 से अगर लाइट आ रही है तो पहले एंगल क्या बना होगा? एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस बना होगा. सो I is also in numerator. मतलब इन शॉर्ट, अगर मीडियम x से आ रहा है तो x में जो एंगल बनेगा that should be in numerator. Am I clear? Once again see, मीडियम 1 से लाइट आ रहा है, बिकॉज आई हैव टोल्ड यू सो मेनी टाइम कि ऐसा लिखा है, तो मीडियम 1 से लाइट आ रहा है. सो इफ मीडियम 1 से लाइट आ रहा है, तो स्पीड ऑफ लाइट ऑफ मीडियम 1 टेकन इन न्यूमरेटर, वेवलेंथ ऑफ लाइट इन मीडियम 1 इज ऑल्सो टेकन इन न्यूमरेटर. जहां से लाइट आता है वो सब न्यूमरेटर में, और उस मीडियम में जो एंगल बन रहा है, दैट एंगल इज ऑल्सो टेकन इन न्यूमरेटर. एंड विच एंगल इज मेड? आई एंगल, इंसिडेंट एंगल. पहले एंगल इंसिडेंट बना होगा, फिर एंगल रिफ्रैक्शन बना होगा. सो साइन आई इज टेकन इन न्यूमरेटर. आई होप यहां तक. Now my dear, let us prove this, how it is happening. Now what is happening? For example, if, that is my supposition, if V1 is greater than V2, suppose V1 V2 से बड़ा है, suppose V1 is greater than V2. So now what will happen if V1 is greater than V2? I am sure sine of I will be greater than sine of R. Therefore, angle I will be greater than angle R. Also, mu of 2 with respect to 1, that is mu 2 divided by mu 1 is also greater than 1. Mu of 2 with respect to 1 को मैं क्या लिख सकता हूँ? mu 2 divided by mu 1. So I can write this, that if V1 greater than V2, तो sin I will be greater than sin R. So angle I, sin हटा दिया, angle I greater than angle R. So mu of 2 with respect to 1 will be greater than 1. That is, mu of 2 with respect to 1 कैसे लिखेंगे? mu of 2 divided by mu 1, I am writing here. Hence, mu of 2 with respect to 1 greater than 1, that is, mu 2 divided by mu 1 is greater than 1. Therefore, mu 2 is greater than mu 1. What is the meaning of this? Mu 2 is greater than mu 1. I proved it. That is medium 2 is optically denser. You can see. मैंने कुछ नहीं किया, मैंने अज्यूम किया लेट V1 ग्रेटर देन V2, तो I इज ग्रेटर देन R. सो mu of 2 with respect to 1 will be greater than 1. Now mu of 2 with respect to 1 को मैं कैसे लिख सकता हूँ? mu 2 by mu1 greater than 1. mu 1 यहाँ गया, 1 से मल्टीप्लाई हो गया, तो क्या हो जाएगा? mu 2 greater than mu 1. That is medium 2 is optically denser than medium 1. जिसका RI ज्यादा होगा, जिसका रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स ज्यादा होगा, वो ज्यादा डेंस होता है, ज्यादा डेंसर होता है, और जिसका रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स कम है वो रेरर हो गया. तो यहां पर मीडियम 2 इज ऑप्टिकली डेंसर देन मीडियम 1. दैट इज मीडियम 2 इज डेंसर मीडियम and medium 1 is rarer medium. In this case, light, you can see many more things which make you to understand. I angle is greater than R. So if I angle is greater than R, what will be the figure? This will be the figure. So here this medium 1 and this is medium 2. Now medium 1 become rarer. and medium 2 become denser. I proved it. So it will bend towards the normal. In this case, light bends towards the normal as it travels from rarer medium to denser medium. I hope it is clear. But look at the another case, my dear. If V2 is greater than V1, then what will happen? First V1 was greater than V2 ना. सब V2 is greater than V1 हो गया, therefore या then ऊपर देखते रहो, sin R is greater than sin I. Therefore angle R is greater than angle I. Hence mu of 2 with respect to 1, mu of 2 with respect to 1. My dear, डिनोमिनेटर बड़ा है ना, V2 ग्रेटर देन V1 मतलब डिनोमिनेटर बड़ा है और न्यूमरेटर छोटा है. डिनोमिनेटर बड़ा है, न्यूमरेटर छोटा है. नहीं समझ में आया? V2 is greater than V1, so denominator is higher number and numerator is lower number. So मतलब mu of 2 with 1 will be less than 1. है ना? अगर मैं डिनोमिनेटर में 5 रखा और न्यूमरेटर में 3 रखा तो 3/5 कितना होगा? 0.6. 0.6 and 0.6 is less than 1. मतलब इसका आंसर जो आ रहा है, अगर V2 बड़ा है V1 से, V2 is more than V1, तो आंसर ऑफ mu of 2 with 1 is less than 1 हो जाएगा. आई शोन एक एग्जांपल बताया कि सपोज ये 3 है और ये 5 है, तो 3/5 is 0.6, मतलब ये पूरा आंसर का वैल्यू 1 से कम हो गया. दैट इज mu of 2 अपॉन mu of 1, क्योंकि इसको लिखने का मेथड तो यही है, मैंने दिखाया, is less than 1. Now ये mu1 यहां गया, therefore क्या सीखने मिला? mu2 is less than mu1. What it mean? What it mean? रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स किसका ज्यादा है? मीडियम 1 का. किसका कम है? मीडियम 2 का. प्लीज, ये मैं प्रूव कर रहा हूं कॉज ऑफ रिफ्रैक्शन. सो क्या सीखा आपने? Thus, that is medium 1 is optically denser. तो ये जो वर्ड है डेंसर, ऑप्टिकली डेंसर, ये डेंसर है सर, कैसे पता चला? बाय लुकिंग रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स. जिसका आरआई ज्यादा होगा दो मीडियम में, दो मीडियम लिया एक्स और वाई, अगर ये मीडियम दो मीडियम में जिसका आरआई ज्यादा होगा, सपोज एक्स का आरआई ज्यादा है, रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स एक्स का ज्यादा है, म्यू एक्स ग्रेटर देन म्यू वाई, सो एक्स इज अ मोर डेंसर देन मीडियम वाई. तो आरआई हमको क्या सिखाता है? रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स हमको क्या सिखाता है? रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स हमको ऑप्टिकली डेंसिटी बताता है, ऑप्टिकल डेंसिटी बताता है. आरआई हमको ऑप्टिकल डेंसिटी बताता है. एंड देयरफॉर माय डियर, ऑप्टिकल डेंसिटी और आरआई इज द सेम, दैट इज द रेशियो ऑफ स्पीड ऑफ लाइट इन टू मीडियम. आज के बाद आपको कोई बोले व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय ऑप्टिकल डेंसिटी, immediately say optical density is the ratio of speed of light in two media. And what is the speed of light in two media का ratio? refractive index भी वही है. Please take care. So RI जिसका ज्यादा होगा वो optically denser होगा और दूसरा मीडियम उससे कम होगा, rarer होगा. सो प्लीज आप ये बात याद रखो कि सर आरआई ही ऑप्टिकली डेंसिटी बताता है, ऑप्टिकल डेंसिटी बताता है, मतलब आरआई एंड ऑप्टिकल डेंसिटी सेम चीज है. जिसका आरआई ज्यादा वो ऑप्टिकल डेंसर है, वो ज्यादा डेंसर है. So what is optical density or what is RI? Sir, RI is the ratio of speed of the light into medium. So optical density is also the ratio of speed of light into medium. Please take care. So that is medium 1 is optical denser. यहाँ ये ज़्यादा है. So optically denser than THAN. I am writing THAN. Here also I have written than. Comparison than medium 2. That is medium 1 is denser medium and medium 2 is rarer medium. Earlier medium 2 was denser and medium 1 was rarer. Now medium 1 is denser and medium 2 become rarer. Oh, क्या चीज है. Now in this case, light bend away from normal. क्योंकि लाइट कहां से आ रहा है? सर लाइट तो हमेशा 1 से आएगा. मैंने तो बोल ही दिया है, स्नेल्स लॉ ने बोला है जहां से लाइट आ रहा है 1 है. बट अब मेरा 1 मीडियम जो है वो डेंसर है. और कहां जा रहा है लाइट? सर 2 में जा रहा है. और 2 मीडियम मेरा रेरर है. मतलब लाइट डेंसर से रेरर जा रहा है. मतलब इट विल बैंड अवे फ्रॉम नॉर्मल. बैंड्स अवे फ्रॉम नॉर्मल as it travel from medium 1 that is denser to medium 2, that is it travel from medium 1 that is denser to medium 2 which is rarer. I hope it is clear. And diagram for this question will be like this. डेंसर को हम लोग थोड़ा सा ऐसे घेर देते हैं, ऐसे ये 2 बॉक्स टाइप बनाते हैं. दैट इज डेंसर. हियर मैंने डेंसर नीचे था, यहाँ डेंसर बिकॉज 1 इज डेंसर नाउ. सो 1 मीडियम इज डेंसर. And 2 medium is rarer now. So light came here like this. This is the normal and it will bend away from the normal like this. Here is I, here is R. Here you can see angle I is less than R. You can see, or R is greater than I. So that's all about cause of refraction, my dear. I hope you all understood about this topic very well. Please go through this topic, and if you are not following, let me know, my dear, because this topic is very important. There are so many crackling points over here to understand. See, please make sure that you understood the formula or the way of representing refractive index. Thank you very much. That's all from my side. Now, in tomorrow's class, tomorrow's lecture, I will upload the video on principle of reversibility and lateral shift and apparent and the real depth with respect to refraction. Thank you you all, and Jai Hind.